Arable Research Lab was started by the High Sloping Council, or initially funded by the High Sloping Council. The High Sloping Council was assisting Maxx with research and development through other research organizations. Now, since Arable Research Lab has been around since 2019, we work more with commercial companies, scientists, and research companies. They are asking for soy-based or bio-based more and more because their customers are asking for it. The concept was to soften asphalt. I mean, that's where the premise of the whole Maxx formulation came to be. The concept of using it to apply to a roof, once they figured out, okay, just using the right amount would soften it enough to add that flexibility that you have maybe when you had a new roof. How Arable Research Lab has helped Maxx over the years is improving just the formulation, whether it's sourcing a better soy methyl ester or it's sourcing other soy ingredients or other parts of that formulation that would work better to provide a longer lasting product on your roof. The history of soy goes back to Henry Ford and Carver. Just looking at automotive parts, looking at industrial uses, and just bio-based in general goes back 40 to 50 years. But once there was a petroleum boom, it kind of replaced bio-based, and now you're seeing bio-based or soy products or technologies come back around. The reason it's better than petroleum because it coalesces or it creates a tougher material once it's dried, and it has longer to dry. So petroleum dries quickly, coalesces fast, and creates kind of a more brittle material, where soy dries slower, coalesces slower, and bonds tighter, and so it creates a harder, tougher surface. We're constantly looking for new things for Maxx, new materials, new formulations that can bring a benefit to their customers. So the future of Maxx, I think, is bright. The folks I talk to, not at Maxx, but the folks that have their houses treated, the folks that are applying it to roofs, the dillers, just the positive outlook that they have, the positive results they get from getting their houses treated. I just think that, and a combination of the things we're hearing constantly, whether it's after a hurricane, on roofs and how they perform. So those results are better than lab results because they're showing real world application. They're showing that this material does work.